Well, hello there. I am here to present to you my project for hashtag Shuffle Cut Create. This is an open challenge collab hosted by Martha Makes Art here on YouTube. And on the 25th of each month, she picks two prompts from two decks of cards. She shuffles them and picks one from each deck so far. She might be changing that. I don't know. Anyway, today's were a little different. Fun, though. I had fun. Um, the first one was music. This is music sheet I just got at Hobby Lobby last week. It came in handy. And then the other one, and here's the fun part, was cow or cows. I don't know if it was plural or not. And I had an idea like almost instantly because last year, I guess it was, for Celebration from Stampin' Up, which means free if you buy other stuff, I had gotten this Day at the Farm paper. And I had no idea what I was going to use this paper for. None whatsoever. So there's this paper that has fairly large cows. And on the back of that paper, well, no, it's not the back of that paper. There's a back of this paper that has a bunch of little cows, is like a pasture. So I'm gonna have to show you what I did, and I can explain the rest to you then. So in the comments to Martha, saying, "Oh yeah, I'll participate," I wrote the word cows, the musical cows. So here we have cows, the musical. This is a cowbell, by the way. I had to go online and find a picture of one. And this is and I didn't have a stamp, so these are all fussy cut. And this little flower was a pain. I fussy cut it. These are the Tim Holtz Ideology alpha tiles. So I thought I'd put the name of the musical on the music sheet over here. And then I have this For the Record stamp set. So I stamped this and I put glossy accents on it. I don't know if you can, there you can see it, shiny. And then I colored this with cherry cobbler because supposedly that's the color of those flowers. And I did use some black stickles because where the two papers meet, I just didn't like it. So I put a little black stickles on there and right in the center of that heart right there. And I had little scraps of this strip left, so I used my I had to use my label maker thing and did the and then musical. I actually forgot and did musical at first, and I thought, no, it's not. It's supposed to be musical. And then I wanted a small cowbell. Actually, there were some pictures that had like multiple, like a cowbell choir kind of thing. You know how they play the handbells, but they had cowbells. But I couldn't print them because they were under some software and you had to sign up. It would be free to print it if you sign up for a trial of some software, and I didn't want to do it. So this is a cowbell. I may um, add some shine to that too, because they're pretty shiny usually, I guess. Well, not necessarily out in the field, they get a little rusty. And I just have a little scrap here. Oh, this stamp too. I don't know what exactly that's supposed to be, but I did that. Oh, and then the moose. I have this My Favorite Things stencil, and I just used, I believe, this one for all three moves. And I thought, oh, I should have changed it up a little bit. And all I did was on white cardstock, I just took a little bit of crumb cake ink from Stampin' Up. You could use any color you wanted in the background. And then I just hand wrote the moo moo moos because I didn't want to do this on all of them. It looks more organic that way, I think. And there's cows in the background who can be the rest of the group chorus or something. I don't know. Whatever it is. And so kind of a spin-off on Cats, the musical, only it's Cows, the musical. I've never seen cats. I kind of wish I had. Anyway, that is my make for today, which is Monday, March 25th. And I usually don't get to them right on the same day, but I had it on my calendar and I actually took a break after I made some other things today. And also, and so I got this done on the 25th. So hopefully you're seeing it on the 25th. And I found this book. I must have got it at a yard sale or a flea market or thrift store. And I even wrote what it is on here. And this is where I'll be keeping my this is 5x7 flat card out of a Michael's pack of flat cards and envelopes. I'm just using the flat cards to make these, and I've been writing. Well, this is the first one I did of Martha's Challenge, so now I'll write the prompts in here. And what I did is I put this down with these Scotch reusable squares. And so I can take it off and use it however I want in the future. So I'll just, put this one over here and write at the top what it's for. So I hope you like my Cows the Musical in this fun collaboration or challenge hosted by Martha Makes Art. It's open for anybody to participate. You don't have to send anything anywhere. You just create how you see fit with the prompts that she does on the 25th of each month. And she's using most of the time 4x6 or 5x7 substrate straight. So I decided to use those 5x7 flat cards because they're not a whole card. Anyway, that's it. Today has been a fun day, let me tell you, with everything I created today, which has been, well, watch my last two videos today too, and you'll see what they are. Everything I've done today has been a lot of fun. And I've done everything on my calendar except run an errand that I had to do. But I didn't do that on purpose because I have to go out tomorrow morning, which I had forgotten about. So I'm going to do it all at once. Anyway, you don't need to know all that. You don't really care. And I hope you enjoyed my little piece of paper collage art. The cows are singing moo moo moo. Bye for now. Thanks, Martha. This was fun.